Hello friends, welcome to my another video. So thanks for watching my videos and subscribing my channel. So if you those who are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and support my channel for more videos and encourage me to upload more and more videos about the Singapore wildlife and nature. So today I'm at New Theo harvest line. So looking for some of the bird to photograph. So you can hear that some of the bird chirping, and then some of the birds are around, so I can see that. So hopefully I can get some bird to photographs. So just now I reached here, so I found I spotted one red-wattled lapwing. So I can hear that some other birds are chirping. So as you can hear. So hopefully I can get some of the bird photographs and videos. So it's this place is quite far from my place. So it's almost 30 kilometers away. So I decided to go out early in the morning today. So I have set up my camera, but in front of me you can see that fencing is there. So it's a bit hard for me to photograph those flying shots and some of the videos. So and also some of the Pacific swallow is flying around. So there is actually I came here to look for the village weaver. So actually I'm not sure where is the exact location. So hopefully I can find the bird later. Strike, so it's quite far from me. So it's sitting on the fence. So here hopefully it will come closer to me, but I cannot move closer to them because of the fencing. It's really beautiful. So it's really it's quite far from me. So I'm waiting whether the bird can come closer to me. It's flying around. So it's just now come closer to me, then fly away. This area is very quiet and no other people except me. So I have full freedom to move around and photographs. So now I'm going to walk over that side and see whether I can see the bird from that angle. I'm changing my position now, so going to the other side. it's really hard to focus through the fencing, so it's flying around, so hopefully I can get some flying shots. I'm trying now, so I'm not sure whether I managed to get. Yeah, it's flying. It's really hard to focus and track the bird while flying. So just now my shutter speed was about 1/1000. Now I increased up to 2000, and eventually I increased my ISO to 2000 because the lighting is not so good. It's cloudy, and I'm using the ISO aperture is 6.3. Just now it was 8, so I reduced to 6.3. So the bird is no more in action here, so I'm moving to other location. I didn't get any decent shot with the green background, but with the sky there is a few shots of the red WATTLED LAPWING and some photograph of the long tail shrike. So okay, it's still there. So see you the other side. So I will have my coffee and breakfast before I move to other place. So it's still early, so I still have time to go other place and photographs. Okay, see you there.